Right now I'm heading to the pawn shop to find something we can resell. Preferably laptop, tablet, iPhone. The goal is to start from zero and actually make $100. So if you're broke, don't worry, everyone's been there. At the moment, I have $0 in my pocket. Sorry for the lighting. Working off my phone, just off this experiment. And from those $100, I'll show you how to flip $100 and make $1,000. Oh yeah, and since we're starting from zero, it would be wrong for me to use any type of vehicle or transportation, because if you have no money, you actually have no way to get anything achieved. But Tom and Jerry, sorry for the camera, but yeah, check out this B-roll. It didn't go so well, but not to get discouraged, we're gonna check out the second location. Do I want to say? What I like about this is prices. So for $1.99, I just have to wait till 11:01. That'll be 82 bucks. I'm not sure, but I do. All right, guys, I just made it home, so we're gonna hop on my phone and jump on the app OfferUp. That's the platform I'm gonna use. So without further ado, okay, so now we're in my phone. We're gonna go to OfferUp. I'm gonna quickly go through it for the purposes of give it a nice cover photo. Tablet mini. Used. I don't really give it a very good description. It's sell and ship nationwide. Yes. Enabled by now. Yes. Seller location. Use my location, Orlando, Florida. There we go. We're live. Yep, that's it, guys. Now our post is live. I'll check back in a few days and let you guys know how's it going. I have other. All right, guys, the listing is up now, so I'll be back in a little bit, probably in a couple days, to give you guys the results. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, because I don't know how long these videos are going to be up. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments. Go. I guess that didn't take long. As you can see, we're already getting notifications. So let's check on some of these results. Trade items, not interested. Is this still available? So I'll get back with you guys as soon as I get a sale. Because as you can see, we're already getting notifications. This is live.